Oh, this is the knife.
Yeah, the lights.
Let's go. Open.
Yeah, the
And
basic
here,
thing.
the
And then
remote.
this one, you could just remove it. Close is this white one.
Oh.
Yep. And then open is this one. This
Open?
the biggest one.
Okay.
And,
Yep. Like that.
and this,
Okay.
if your friend is downstairs, you can just.
Okay, peace.
You can.
If your friend is downstairs or you want to look at us downstairs going,
Press this.
thing.
Oh.
Yeah, you can see outside.
And then
Okay.
you can talk too.
Okay, talk too.
Oh yeah. When you
But
finish,
look-
just this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
But now it's very cool. How can do? This. What is this?
The remote.
This remote.
The air conditioner. Then this reffing is hot.
Okay.
Then this is cold, and then ignored this green thingy, and then stop, and then temperature higher, lower. This is for example here.
Now I want the aircon. Now I'm very cool.
Yeah.
How? I want
So and
hot.
then temperature higher. This one.
Yeah, I want higher temperature.
I think the higher is 40 or 35. Okay, 32 is the highest temperature.
Okay.
Yep.
But this one, how button?
Where will the wind go to?
Okay. But I want more.
This one.
More.
Can you see the blocks? The blocks is going. The blocks next to the temperature.
It's more.
Yeah.
Now it's the back. Oh, now it's the back.
Yep.
More one. This small.
Yep.
This very small. This
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Okay.
Yep.
But I want to cool.
This one.
This
the
one?
blue button.
Oh, the blue button.
And
Oh, this one
the
is. Oh, this. Okay. That I want the temperature is so.
Yeah.
Okay. But okay. Now it's the remote is okay. It's hot.
Yep.
Cool. Okay. Okay. This for this one.
Yep.
Okay. In here.